Do you need to turn images into videos and showcase the potential of a plot of land quickly and professionally? Let me show you how to do it with Vibepeak. First, open the land template and choose your video format, horizontal or vertical, depending on where you want to publish it. Then, upload the images of the plot. You can adjust them manually or let the artificial intelligence automatically adapt them to the selected format. Now comes the magic. Simply highlight the area where you want to build the property, and with just one click, the AI will generate different proposals for your plot of land. Not convinced by one of the options? No problem. You can generate new alternatives or easily modify them by writing a simple prompt. And now comes the most powerful part, personalization. Write your own script, choose the voice you prefer, or even clone your own. Add music. Include your estate agency's logo as a watermark and enable subtitles. Once everything is ready, make the final adjustments and generate your video. It is that easy. In just a few minutes, you can turn images into professional property videos and show your clients the full potential of a plot of land with Vibepeak.
2M in Aguarda, Pontevedra. Easy access. Perfect for modern minimalist, traditional Mediterranean, or contemporary duplex.